Hello students, welcome back to AriserTalent. I am your maths teacher Arpita Sharma and we are studying mathematics. In that we have arrived to the chapter statistics, and in that we have covered the theory part and then some numerical. We have learned about the cumulative frequency. We have done one or two question about that also. Now in that chain we are doing that ABCDEFG wala question. Okay, so this question is find the unknown entries A, B, C, D, E, F, G from the following frequency distribution of height of 50 heights of 50 students in a class. Now following frequency that will come in the next slide. Okay, so there are 50 students. That means number of students are 50. So the sum should be 50. Okay, then we have to find these entries. Now these entries are what? Okay, let us find out. First writing the name of our chapter, which is statistics. Okay, so write it. Okay, so the table is here. This is your table, student. You are having these class intervals right there, then the frequency and then the cumulative frequency. Okay, now you all know that what does cumulative frequency means. If suppose this table is still here only, then this is the class interval. Class interval means height in centimeter. Centimeter from where to where? You are having some students whose height is in between this range 150 to 155. That means their height may be 150 centimeter to 151, 152, 153, 154, but not 155. 155 is included in the next one. Okay, so 150 to 154 here, 155 to 159 here, and so on. And the number of students having the height in this range is equals to 12. Now this is about frequency. If my table is still here only and I have to find the cumulative frequency, then if I go with this number, this is supposed to be the summation till here. Now before 12 we are not having any number, of course, so we will write 12 here. Now for this, what will write? Summation of this plus this will be equals to this. Summation of this plus this, or you may say the frequency till here will be the cumulative frequency here. Okay, got it? So what we have to do, we have to make equation as given in this table and we'll find the value of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so writing for the solution, students. Now you are given with the good, right, we are given with the 50 students. So that means that will be the summation, the frequency summation will be what? 50. So simply G equals to 50, and if you remember the cumulative frequency here will be equals to this. Why? Because summation of this will be ultimately the summation of all these things, and summation till here will be the value here. So simply G and F will be equals to what? Will be equals to this 50. Okay, so this is something you can understand by just looking at it, but we will do the procedure and find out the values. Okay, now given number of student, we know how to calculate the values. So just we are doing the writing things. Given number of student equals to 50. That will be also summation of frequency, and which is equals to, students, what? Which is equals to given G. Okay, now just looking at the table, from the table, from the given table, what you have there, from the given table, 12 equals to A. Why I am saying this? Because this is frequency and this is cumulative frequency. So, 12 equals to A, this is fine, this is the equation number 1. Now, if I go with this one, 12 plus B, that will be equals to 25. 12 plus B equals to 25, that is my equation number 2, right. Now, I will go with this. Now, till frequency till there will be the cumulative frequency here. So, that is 12 plus B plus 10. Okay. So, 12 plus B plus 10 and that will be equals to what? C. Okay. So, getting it? Now, here I will be having this plus D also, plus D, and that will be equals to 43 here, right. Now, this is E here also. So, in addition of all this, we are having E also, and that will make it the value corresponding to this, which is 48. So, this is our equation 5, and then in the last we have this 2 here, and that will make this F. Okay. So, this is our equation 6. Now, from equation 1 I am starting. So, from equation 1, simply you are having A equals to 12, put the value of A equals to 12 here. No, we are not supposed to write from equation 2. I am talking about the from equation 2 because there is no A here. So, from equation 2, which is this, we are having 12 plus B equals to 25. So, that is for sure that B equals to 25 minus 12, that is 13. So, B equals to 25 minus 12, that is equals to 13. Now, you have B equals to 13 and you are having B here. So, from equation 3rd, put B equals to 13 here. So, there is 3 plus 2 and 0. So, C equals to 5 and 1 and 2 here, and this is okay. So, 3 here. How it works? 12 plus 10, that is 22, 22 plus 13, that is 35. Okay. So, C equals to 35. From equation 4th, how you gonna know if your equations or your values you are getting are right or wrong? Simply you will get the value of F as 50, which is the value of G, and which is given as the total number of students, that is 50 students. Okay. From equation number 4, now you are having this value of B, but you are not having the value of D. So, just put it here, 12 plus 10, that is 22 plus B. Now, B value is 13 plus D equals to 43. So, the value of D will be equals to 43 minus, here is a 5 and 3. So, this is 8, value of D is 8. Okay. Now, you are having this equation number 4th is okay. Now, you are having this equation 5th. From the equation number 5th, you are having From equation number 5th, you are having the value of B here and the value of D here. So, you have to find out the value of E. So, this is 12 plus 10, that is 22 again, plus the value of B. Value of B is what, student? Value of B is 13. Okay. Then value of D. The value of D is 8. Right. And the value of E plus E equals to 48. So, now you can come here this side. So, we will be having E equals to 48 minus, this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, 3 here, 1 carry 2 to 4. So, 43, 48, that is 5 from equation number 5. So, you are remaining with the equation number 6. So, from 6 what you having? 12 plus the value of B, which is equals to 13, plus 10 plus D. The value of D was 8, value of E is equals to 5 plus 2 equals to F. So, from here you get this value as 8 to 10, that is 15, 15 plus 10 25, 25 plus 10 35, then 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40 plus 10 50. So, you get the value F equals to 50. Right or wrong, student? You got the value of F equals to 50, which is the value of G and which is the value of all the summation right there. Okay. So, now here you get the value of A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So, you can say that this was your answer here, and then you got the value of B as your answer here, then you got the value C, then the D, okay, then here E, and at the last you got the value of F also. So, here is the value of A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, you got your question that how you solve this. You just apply this pattern, that the summation of a particular frequency, corresponding value will be what? Cumulative frequency. If you are talking about this corresponding value, so you have to add this value to this value, and we will get the cumulative frequency here. Understood? So, just note this question so that we can move forward. Note it. Okay. Understood the idea? So, now I will take you the next question, and this very question belongs to one question that we have done in our previous lecture. It is similar to that. Okay. So, I expect you to do that question to your own. So, hold your copy pen and try to do it before me. Okay. Okay. So, here's the question. The class marks of a distribution are. Now, the class mark are not the class mark, but our mid value. We have talked about this earlier too. Of a distribution are 13, 17, 21, 25 and 29. Find the true class limit. Now, true class limit, that means upper and the lower limit. Upper and the lower limit. Okay. Again I am telling you. True class limits, that means upper limit and lower limit. Okay. Okay. Right or wrong? Understood? So, this is our upper limit and lower limit. Now, we have given with these values, these are what? Class marks or the mid value. Okay. Now, we are having something here and something here, this upper value and lower value, upper limit and lower limit. The mid value is 13. We are having some value here, some value here. The mid value is 17. Here I am having one value here, second value here, that means upper and lower limits, and the mid value is there. So, we will just going to apply that formula. We have to find the A, the H, and we then apply the formula. What was the formula for upper limit and lower limit? As far as I remember, there was upper limit. The value of upper limit was, the formula we are going to use in that will be A plus H by 2. Okay, remembering this thing. And the lower limit. In the lower limit, I am going to apply the formula, which is A minus H by 2. A minus H by 2. This is the second formula. This is the upper limit, this is the lower limit. Upper limit will be high, so I am adding H by 2, and lower limit will be less, so I am subtracting H by 2. Isn't it so obvious? Okay, so this is about the formula we are going to use in this particular question. Now we will talk about the solution part. How will we gonna find this value A and H? We are going to use them in the formula, so we have to find it first. That what's the value of A, what's the value of H? We know that the value of H is going to be constant, but value of A will going to be changed in that means vary in case of 13 and 17 and 21 and 25 and 29 each time. Value of A will be respectively 13, 17, 25, 25 and 29, but the value of H will be constant. So, we have to work for H only. Okay. So, difference between the class marks is equals to, I will be just putting, because this is evenly distributed students, because the difference will be same here in each case. I am just going to pick any three random, not random but consecutive, okay, any three consecutive numbers here, and will find out the difference between them. Now I am picking this 13, 17 and 21. So, if I am picking them, then there will be difference of 17 minus 13. That should be equals to 21 minus 17. So, that will be 4. So, class mark equals to 4, and that is the same value we are looking for, that is H. So, H is here for you guys, and you know how to find the value of A. Value of A will be the same here, the so called class marks. Okay. So, for class mark 13 upper limit, if H equals to 4, then H by 2 is going to be only 2. Okay. So, upper limit will be equals to what? A minus plus H by 2. Now, A in this case is 13. So, 13 plus 2 will be equals to 15. Similarly, lower limit for this will be A minus H by 2, which is equals to 13 minus 2, which is 11, isn't it? This is for class mark 13. If I will talk about this, what is this? 17. Okay. So, 17 for class mark 17. We have done the same question in the tabular form. I am writing this next question, which is actually exactly similar to that one. I am doing this in language form. Both things are correct, but you have to make in a tabular form. So, I am writing this and you have to convert in the tabular form. Okay, that we have done. Now, for class mark 17, upper limit again will be equals to, now I am directly putting the value. You know the value of A is 70, so there is no need of writing the formula again and again. Okay, so that will be 17 plus 2, and the lower limit will going to be 17 minus 2. Now, this is 19 and this is 15. Okay, and if I will go with the next one, which is 21 for class mark 21. Okay, so if I am going for the class mark 21, upper limit will be no doubt 23 and the lower limit will be, now you can do it like this only, you just not it because you have to add and subtract 2 from both of this. So, that will be 19, okay. And if I will go with the fourth one, for class mark, that will be 25. Come here. Upper limit will be 27, lower limit is 23. Now, if I will talk about this, 25 has been done and the last one is 29. So, 4, that is fifth number, for class mark, what I am having remaining is 29, okay. For class mark 29, upper limit you all know 29 plus 2, 31 and the lower limit is 27. So, can I tell this again, then that will be, so class limits, true class limits, will be what? That will be, we are talking right from 13, so 11 to 15, the second one which is 15 to 19, then 19 to 23, then 23 to 27. What I am doing? Writing the lower class first, then dash, then upper class, then the lower class, then the upper class and so on. Then 27 to 31. So, this is going to be our answer, okay. Now, what you have to do? Just note it so that we can move further. Okay. So, done with this. So, now you know how to do this question in language and in tabular form. Now, do not forget you have to write all these values in the tabular form, right? Okay. These two chapters, basically probability and statistics, they are fun, okay. You are provided with different situation and you have to just solve them. Probability is new for you guys, you are studying this probability only in 10th, but you have studied this particular chapter in your 9th class also, so this is somewhat familiar, okay. Next. So, this is the question you are doing in your homework or something, we will discuss it in next lecture. The following data represents the wages of 25 workers of a certain factory. Now, it is 25, that means the summation of the frequency will be what? 25, okay. So, this is basically number of workers getting wages from 30 to 40 is 5. So, basically this is going to be 25 or not, number of workers. Now, the following data represent the wages of 25 workers of a certain factory, number of workers, wages in rupees 30 to 40, there is some change in the question, okay. So, we are having this 8, 9, 10, then 15, 22, 26, 28, 8 and 2 here, 3, 4, so that should be 48, okay. So, there are 48 number of workers in the factory. So, there are 48 number of factory, right. Actually, this question is certainly not completed. So, we will deal with the question in the next lecture and correct it. It is 48. Okay, because number of workers here will give you this total here. This is frequency, number of workers, that means frequency. So, that total is gonna be right there. Number of observation, what you call it. Okay, so we will meet with this question in our next lecture. Till then, enjoy your life, do good studies and take care. Bye bye.